Hi, I'm Max Mishakov. Today's question sounds like this. Could you demonstrate singing a song with the practice implemented? I think I'm doing the exercise right, but when it comes to the words, I fail. So the solution is simple. You have to just transfer the exercise into the song. You have to do the exercise in the song. Your brain has to get used to this exercise and feel it in the song. Get used to this feeling. For example, if you are working on your breath support, you may do the lip roll in the song like this. If you want to work on the resonance and you want to sound with more resonance, you may sing the song with the NG exercise. If you want to master your mixed voice and you want to make your high notes better, which is very popular, you may sing the chorus with the NG exercise and then with the mixed voice exercise like ma ma ma, nay nay nay, and so on. So you sing the chorus. Then you may transfer your ma 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 and nay 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 exercises into the song, again singing the chorus like ma 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 ma, nay 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 nay. And the last thing you have to do is singing vowels without consonants. It's your last goal. If you are able to sing the entire song without consonants, only vowel sounds, it means that you know all your weak points. It means that if you can do that, you will be able to sing the entire song. So your last goal is to sing just vowels like First you may try with nay nay nay, and then your last thing is vowel sounds. Just this. Try, work. Thank you for watching. Write your questions.